Finally finishing my last bit of pho. I only used the ingredients I had in my fridge, but this was in the freezer and it tastes really, really good. I'm Dominican. I have a little bit of avocado because we eat soup with avocado or rice, and I had avocado, so I wish I had cilantro and scallions, but I don't. I just use whatever I have. I had like a little bit of soy chorizo. I'll put that in there too. I like when it's piping hot like this. The flavor is still good too. It just hits. It just hits. I have the recipe. I don't know why this is so addicting. Like, it's so addicting. One of those things that you just don't get tired of eating. Put whatever I had left over. Hoisin, sriracha, my chili sauce, lemon. So freaking good. Perfect for those chilly days. There's gonna be a snowstorm this weekend. I don't know. Might make another one. I might make another for this weekend. I don't know. I have a bag of noodles left. I have shrimps. I basically have everything. Oh wait, no. I don't have the veggies. I don't have cilantro. Shoot, the forker. I'll keep enjoying. Talk to you later.